Pop quiz. Tell me everything that's in your house or apartment right now. Oh, you can't? Well, me either. But I do have a comprehensive home inventory that I keep updated regularly. A home inventory is just a list of every single thing that you own. I'm talking furniture, appliances, and every last hoodie and pair of leggings you have in the closet. In the event of a natural disaster, fire, or theft, you can use this list to tell the insurance company exactly what you lost so they can reimburse you. Don't forget stuff you may have in garages or storage units. Go room by room, adding each item in every room to your list before moving on to the next one. And don't forget your closets. Taking photos of your stuff can be good too. In fact, if you don't have time to create a full inventory, start with a snapshot of each room. Keep track of any receipts and serial numbers, so when the insurance company asks what kind of TV was stolen, you're able to tell them it was a 75-inch OLED, and not just a standard flat screen. A piece of paper with this information could be just as easily destroyed as the rest of your items in a disaster. The best way to keep your home inventory safe is to store it in Google Drive, Dropbox, or an email to yourself. Or, better yet, try an app. Many companies have one, which could streamline the insurance claims process. Or there are plenty of others out there that will store your list of possessions, as well as photos, serial numbers, and other information. Quiz time, but don't worry, it's open notes.